Have you ever bought materials or paid for a service specifically for a client's project, and you need to charge them back for it later? In QuickBooks, this is called a billable expense. Instead of trying to remember all those little receipts at the end of the month, you can log them right away and have QuickBooks automatically remind you to add them to the client's next invoice. Let me show you how to set it up. Before we can log anything, we have to make sure the feature is actually turned on. Go up to the gear icon in the top right corner and click on Account and Settings. Look over at the left-hand menu and click the Expenses tab. Inside the Bills and Expenses section, make sure the switch for Make Expenses and Items Billable is turned on. If it isn't, just click the toggle icon, scroll down, and hit Save. Now let's actually record the purchase. Head up to your Create button at the top left. Look under the Vendors column and click on Expense. Fill this out just like you normally would. Select who you paid at the top and double-check your payment account and date. Scroll down to the Category Details section and enter what you bought and how much it cost. Now, here is the secret step. Look right next to the amount. You will see a checkbox labeled Billable. Check that box. Immediately to the right of that, use the Customer drop-down to select exactly which client you bought this for. If you have a receipt, don't forget you can drag and drop it into the Attachments box at the bottom left before you hit Save and Close. So, how do we actually get paid back? Fast forward to the end of the month when you are ready to bill the client. Click your Create button and open a blank invoice. The second you select that specific customer from the drop-down, QuickBooks will automatically slide out a panel on the right side showing that exact billable expense. Just click Add, and it drops right onto their invoice, ready to be sent. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.